Look, everyone always talks about 5 upcoming phones they're excited about. 5 exciting phones coming in the next month. No, I'm going to talk about one phone that I'm actually excited about. I'm talking about OnePlus's first foldable phone called the OnePlus Foldable, OnePlus Fold, OnePlus Open. And you know what? I'm excited about this phone for 2 reasons. One, when you look at proper foldable phones in India, and I'm not talking about flip phones, the options are very, very limited. Second, foldable phones are interesting and I'm looking forward to see OnePlus's take on it, considering it will be their first foldable phone. Now, the exciting thing is the OnePlus Open has leaked, and from what I've seen, it is all set to take on the other phones in a big way. Here's what I'm talking about. First of all, OnePlus teased it at the OnePlus 11 launch, but recently OnePlus tweeted this. Posted this, which kind of suggests that the OnePlus Foldable will be called the OnePlus Open. Interesting. Now, when it comes to a foldable phone, the design is super important, and here's what we know so far. So this is what the OnePlus Open should look like according to leaks. It has the whole OnePlus camera design on the back with the Hasselblad branding, and it's got a cover screen and a big main screen, kind of usual. We also got a live leak of the device in this paparazzi video with Anushka Sharma using the phone. Unbox Therapy also recently made a video showing off the device, and you can clearly see that the phone has the iconic OnePlus alert slider, thankfully. You can also see that the fingerprint scanner is in the power button, and what's also interesting is that the OnePlus Foldable seems to have a quad speaker setup, which is pretty crazy for a smartphone, don't you think? You can see the dual speakers on the bottom and the dual speakers on the top. Now, another thing to note is the hinge, which is super important in a foldable phone, and the OnePlus Open seems to have a smaller hinge, and Pete Lau in the video with Unbox Therapy has confirmed that the OnePlus Fold is lighter thanks to the smaller hinge and lesser components. One of the biggest problems with foldable phones is the weight and thickness, and the video also shows that the OnePlus Foldable seems to be fairly sleek for a foldable phone, especially with its smaller hinge, and I like that the hinge here shuts flat. Here's the hinge in action, and you can see that there's no gap or anything when the device is folded, which is commendable for what is OnePlus's first foldable phone. The hinge is also set to be tested for 400,000 folds, which is promising, but yeah, we'll get a better idea once the device actually arrives. Anyway, these leaked images also show that the crease should be fairly minimal. There are also comparison shots with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and the biggest point to note is that the OnePlus Open has a more usual phone aspect ratio in the cover screen, no narrow cover screen. You can also see that the OnePlus Foldable is slightly thinner. It's not a big difference, but yeah. There are also videos of the Oppo Find N3 Fold, which is basically identical to the OnePlus Foldable in terms of design, and in this video, you can see that the main screen has these curves around the corners. You can also see the front camera in the main screen is not an in-display one, which I'm personally okay with, especially with the quality compromises of the in-display cameras. Look, from these leaks, it looks like OnePlus has put in a lot of thought in the design of the OnePlus Open, and the Oxygen OS software is also said to be more optimized for foldable phones. According to reports, the OnePlus Foldable will come with the new Oxygen OS Fold, which will have more multitasking features like the ability to open 3 apps in floating window, drag and drop between apps, and we've already seen good software optimization on Oppo's Find and Foldable, so I'm expecting the same from the OnePlus Open as well. Apart from this, Pete Lau also revealed in the Unbox Therapy video that OnePlus is working with Google to optimize the apps better for the bigger screen. Now, if you're wondering about the specs, the OnePlus Open will have flagship-grade specs. According to different leaks from Weibo, Max Jamber, and more, the OnePlus Open will have a 6.31-inch AMOLED display on the cover screen with the 20:9 aspect ratio, which is very nice, and there's 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO support. The main screen should be a 7.81-inch 2K AMOLED display with, once again, 120Hz refresh rate with LTPO. So at top of the line dual screens. Now, the device is set to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and there's set to be 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB UFS 4.0 storage. Now, these are flagship specs, and the battery is rumored to be 4800 mAh, which is 400 mAh more than what you get on the Z Fold 5, which is again really good. The camera setup is also flagshipy with the Hasselblad branding and features a 48 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. These specs are good, and the OnePlus Foldable should have some cool camera tricks making use of the whole foldable design. Now, as for the pricing, I'm expecting the OnePlus Open to launch somewhere around 1.4, 1.5 lakhs, considering the specs and features it has, but there are rumors of it launching at less than 1.2 lakhs, which would be pretty cool, right? And that's the biggest reason I'm looking forward to this foldable. From what we've seen so far, the OnePlus Fold AK, the OnePlus Open seems to be an out-and-out flagship foldable phone. The specs are top of the line. The design seems in line with what you expect from a premium foldable device. So honestly, I'm excited to check out the device in person because we finally seem to have some strong competition to the Z Folds in India, and that's very important. And you know what? We should get hands-on with it soon, considering the launch is rumored to be later this month. So make sure to subscribe to see our hands-on video with the new OnePlus Foldable, and comment below your questions and your thoughts on the upcoming OnePlus Foldable. Thanks for watching.